Alright guys, today we're going to Capitol Hill. Look at my new obnoxious earrings. Right now we are heading down to breakfast. And we are going to eat that. Where is breakfast? Oh shoot, I forgot my name tag anyway. We were just informed breakfast is in the lower lobby, so we are going to go down there. And yeah, like I don't even know if I'm hungry. Like I'm kind of not hungry, but oh wait, here's my outfit. I'm wearing Vans and my knee socks. And
They look like boots, so it's fun.
Yeah, right. Okay, we just had breakfast, and now we are going to go downstairs shortly and go to Capitol Hill. We are leaving at
8:30.
8:30, and it's like what, like 8:15 now. So
Yeah, I feel stuffed.
you feel yeah, like I wasn't.
I didn't
thought,
eat anything.
Yeah, I barely ate anything because it's just too early to eat. Like it's like what, like 8, 9? I don't know.
I've eaten earlier, but like I felt like stuffed.
Yeah, literally.
Alright, bye.
This is my fit.
I got some boots on. Don't worry, I'm wearing shorts.
Oh my, I'm not.
What?
All right, we're going to Capitol Hill.
Get me.
Where are you? You do look cute. Look at the fit.
We're on the move.
We're on the move. Mr. Kennedy's on the move. We gotta run. Hey, what's up, you guys? This is oh wow. Yeah, this is literally nuts.
Hey, imagine if this was the tea though. Like
Now we're on this crowded train. Hey, it's quite. She's taking pictures. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Oh my God. All right, guys, made it off the crowded train. Now we're going. King. There she is. Guys, it's the White House. Oh my God. Got my little badge of honor right here. Alright, so we could have taken that train, but we're walking. It's okay. Interesting. I don't know. Interesting. Guys, we made it into the White House. We're here. We're in.
Donald, where are you?
Donald. What's up, you guys? We're in the rotunda. There's that right there. Apparently that's as big as the floor we're standing on, but it doesn't look like it because of distance. It's cray cray. The Gerties. Okay guys, now we're in the House side. As you can see, these are the rest of the states. The other room we were in, that only had the statues of the 13 states. Now there's a lot more. So apparently the acoustics in here are whack, so we're trying to hear each other from across the room.
What? I can hear you.
So we found the spot. Now I would literally compare these acoustics to the Bayview Academy Auditorium.
Oh my God! Wait, we should do this next time we get back to Bayview and we're alone.
Literally, no, because like if you're sitting like on the orchestra side,
You can hear.
and like you can hear what's happening like where the side of where the little kids sit, like perfectly. Like it's so whack. Alright, it's currently 11 o'clock. We're heading back now. I think we're gonna meet Jack Reed now. My back hurts extremely bad. Also, forgot to mention, I'm really thirsty. I need water immediately. We're going on the subway.
Oh yeah, the back goes.
I feel like I'm on a roller coaster. We're in Jack Reed's office right now. I'll get back to you.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we just met with Jack Reed. We had a little Q&A session. I asked 2 questions. One of them was about issues in Rhode Island that they're working to fix. They're going to build a new train station in Pawtucket, which I think is cool. And I asked about like a Democratic candidate, how easy it would be to elect one. It was cool. I think we're gonna take our Capitol Hill pick right now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like, you know.
Will you sing "Fly Me to the Moon"?
Yeah, can you sing "Fly Me to the Moon" again?
No, can you sing it at my
Fly
funeral?
me to the moon and let me play
Among the stars.
Oh, let me
Oh my
see
God.
what spring is like.
It's beautiful out here, though.
Jupiter and Mars.
Like, wait, just look at this view. It's the White House, guys. That is the Supreme Court. Ruth Bader Ginsburg is in there right now as we speak. No, actually, I don't know. So we're
rude. I literally just had to strip down there.
so we just got back in the Capitol and we had to go through security
I
again.
take off my shoes, my bracelet. He was so bad at me. He was like, take it off and put it on the thing. And I was like, all right, whoa, like, am I really trying to smuggle anything?
Caroline's putting on a strip show. Okay guys, so we just had lunch. I just paid $14 for a salad, some cookies, and a spicy water. What? Oh. Yeah. So right now we're gonna go meet a representative of David Cicilline, our gay, Jewish, Italian man.
Tired.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep, but that salad was really good. We're at the Library of Congress. Pretty fancy. We made it into the what?
The Pentagon, we made it.
Yeah, we made it to the Pentagon, you guys. So we did not go into the Library of Congress, JK. We just like looked in there for literally 1 second and they were like, oh, we gotta go. So yeah, now we're going to see a representative from David Cicilline. Really excited. It's really nice out. I'm glad I didn't bring a jacket or else I would literally die of heat. Alright, Mr. Kennedy literally does not care. Like, all these people are so far behind us and he just keeps walking. He does not care. Hey Greta, can you hold this for me? Yeah, thanks. No. These stairs are really beautiful. Like what? Like all marble. Hello. We just met with David Cicilline's representatives. Why are you coughing in my face? That's nasty. No, you were like close to me. So like this though.
Like that, dab on them.
Dab on the haters. Yeah, but I'm really tired, so it's.
I like 3 of the Puerto Rican boys.
It's currently 1:30 p.m.
Alonzo, Sebastian, and Diego. Hit me up. I love you.
That Aqua Taco moment when everyone runs out of money on their Metro card and you have to pay with your own money to get on the Metro.
I'm tired.
She's tired. This bus smells like weed. Hey guys, just made it off the Metro after being lost, but we're here now. I think we're going to Ford's Theater. I don't know. We'll see. Pie Pizzeria. Wow. Me. That is so wild. Wait, look. Wait. This is my hand. It's like in glass. That's cray cray. We're in Ford Theater. So right now I'm just chilling in Ford's Theater. Greta. What are you looking for? her lipstick. Because of course she always needs her lipstick. Well, meanwhile, my lips look like the Sahara Desert. But it's alright. Greta wants to go down there and help all those stagehands, don't you?
Yeah.
She misses the stage. Someone find her a show to take before she dies. There's the Hard Rock Cafe. I would like to go there. So right now we're in the other museum across from the Ford's Theater. It's the house that Lincoln died in. So it's pretty interesting to see. We saw his bed and like the coffin and stuff. This little stuff, yeah. Right now we're in the American Portrait Gallery where all the portraits of the presidents are. There's our man. Is this a bop or what?
It is.
Currently waiting for the metro.
We're gonna go steal the Declaration of Independence.
Good idea. I have come to the conclusion that the metro is too stressful for me. Oh, Ray Cray.
Oh, she's still.
We just got off of there.
Velvet, or is it like lipstick?
It's velvet.
It's weird.
Will it come out?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's just dye.
Hey, tell me your name again.
I am Agnes Smithers.
God damn
I am
it.
the Southern home expert.
That means she's a housewife. I feel like this would be the best reality.
A sinner in a smoky room. Smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they could share the night. It goes on. What? Yeah, of course. Strangers waiting. All right, you guys. I'm having a Subway sandwich at Union Station.
I'm filming it. You're going to take Where does this go on the alignment?
Apparently, the toilet paper was tied to the wall with a plastic bag, and she's freaking out.
Do it again.
Okay, so we just got back on the bus from Union Station. I thought I was gonna get human traffic the whole time, but it's okay. How's your Union Station experience?
Let's not go anywhere alone in that building.
Facts. Yeah, so now we're going to see Sheer Madness. It's a murder mystery. I'm really excited. I've literally been looking forward to this all day.
Let's murder Emily.
No, you're not allowed to. No murdering on this trip. We're literally in Washington, D.C., the freaking nation's capital, and you're literally gonna murder someone in the. Never mind.
Okay, what is
I want it that way. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way.
Oh, this is pretty lit.
So we just got up to the terrace level, and it's literally beautiful.
Izzy, did you change my shutter speed?
Guys. Okay, guys, so we're back at the hotel. We just saw a play called Sheer Madness. It was a murder mystery. It was literally
It was interactive.
so good.
It was so good.
It was an interactive murder
The
mystery.
yelling at the end scared me very much, though. It
No.
freaked me out.
So basically, like,
It's a barbershop.
yeah, it's a barbershop, and then there's like a murder happens. Like the lady upstairs, she gets murdered, and then they have to like find out like who it was. And then there's 4 suspects, and then like we try to like create theories during the intermission, and we can ask him questions, and then we all like vote like who do we actually think like killed the lady. So then we have a vote, and then our vote, it was like this one guy, and then they actually play off the play like that one guy was the murderer. So in other words, the play has 4 different endings for the 4 different suspects. Like what? That's cray cray. And oh my god. But right now we're gonna go down to the student lounge and hang out.
So, this week I like to be very reusable and stuff, and I meant to bring my water bottle, but I forgot it at home in Rhode Island, which is a far away. So, the amount of plastic water bottles I bought is kind of sad, but the pricing, $4.40. Like, Lucas took one gulp and drank $1 of water. I don't think that's very fair.
It's not.
I
Inflation.
think inflation. I am exhausted.